Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the paper feed rollers on the ADF module on HP Laserjet Pro 500 color MFP M570 model. So as you see, I have the new rollers here. First we will start with the paper feed rollers. How to replace them: just push here on the left side and it will come out. Be careful, they are different, so you have to remember which one where to put. Take out these parts and put them on the new roller and put it back on its place. Let's replace this one too. And finally, the separation pad. Push the back side of the pad and push it in this way. Push here the back side, then push, and we are done. That's it. Thank you very much and good luck.